everyone and welcome back. This is Smita.
And then I am Sanskriti.
Okay, so what are we doing today, Sanskriti?
We are making ginger and also what is this?
Turmeric
And ginger and
chai.
Chai
Ginger turmeric chai.
Ginger turmeric chai.
Yeah, you can also call this ginger turmeric chai latte. So we all know that turmeric is a good anti-inflammatory and anti-aging as well. So it has got a lot of good benefits. So let's get started making ginger turmeric chai latte.
Then thanks for watching.
Bye.
Be sure to click this big red subscribe. It says subscribe and also bye-bye.
Mwah.